Good morning, everybody. This is Virgil at Twin Peaks Off-Road. Recently, we have gotten into rugged radios. We are a dealer for them, have been for a while, but seems to be the new trend with the off-road community to use a lot of rugged radio communications. I wanted to show everybody just a little bit about what we did, and I felt like since we're doing this for other people now that we ought to do it for ourselves as well, so we could have the experience in our own vehicle and understand the install and understand what's involved. So first thing, nice thing with rugged radios is you get these fancy headsets that you can actually have communications from cab to cab, and these come in 2-seat or 4-seat. When plugged in, you can communicate with the person next to you, and it automatically picks up your voice when you're talking, and you can also use a push button to speak when you're speaking to other cars. And the unique thing about this is it works on a different frequency. It's not a citizens band radio. It works on its own unique frequencies, and it allows for almost zero interference, and it also allows for line of sight. You're 20 miles of communications. So I'm going to ask Diana to take a quick peek inside the cab of our Talon. This is our 2020 Honda Talon, and we installed the rugged radio system in it. This will also play your Bluetooth phone. You can put your headsets on and listen to your music and enjoy your ride. So we are now selling these. We just brought in about 10 sets of radios and installed a few, and we're hoping to do many more in the future. So if your side-by-side or your Jeep or off-road vehicle, sand rail, sand buggy, if you'd like to have in-cab communications and you would like to have the ability to speak with your buddies 20 miles out on the dunes, by all means, get a hold of us and we will help you out. Thank you and have a great day.